Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix auto rotate is not working in Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. If you're using S22 Plus and you're facing the issue that your screen auto rotate isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to double check that you have enabled auto rotate from here. So here you might see the portrait option. You have to click on it to switch it to auto rotate. And once you have enabled your auto rotate, you might be able to rotate your phone screen automatically. Or if you have enabled this but your phone's or your auto rotate is still not working, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to go to your settings. Under settings, just scroll down and go to software update. Click on check for updates and make sure that your phone is up to date. After updating your phone, you have to go back and just retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed issue, scroll down and tap on it to disable your auto rotate, and then tap on it again. You can repeat the same thing for up to 4 or 5 times. So it will fix or it will make a quick refresh in your auto rotate feature. Or if it's still not working for you, just click on this power icon and then click on restart, then click on it again and your phone will be restarted. So after restart, if there will be any software glitch or any software issue with your phone, it will be fixed, and after restarting you might not get this issue again. Or the very first thing or the most important thing I want to tell you, that your auto rotate only works inside your apps. Like if you're using settings app, so first you have to open your app and then you can use your screen auto rotate feature, because on your home screen it doesn't work at well. So you can see that when I'm on home screen, my auto rotate is not working, but when I open any app, it might be setting, it might be Play Store, or it might be any other app, my auto rotate is now working. I can easily use auto rotate on my phone. So in this way, you can easily fix if your auto rotate is not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.